Some J's, big up on yourself right now. The quality are probably weird. I first not see a quality like this because me actually record from the laptop while me I edit. Today vlog, well it's not even a vlog, it's something different. 2 years ago, me shoot my first independent short film. When me say that me mean me script everything, me direct everything, me shoot and edit everything. Everything it was just me. Everything. Me did just want to try something new and see if me could actually do it. And it come out so bad. Certain part me could do better. But it was the first time me actually tried the video effects. You know what I mean? At the first short film I try incorporate video effects too. So I know a lot of people are gonna like it, a lot of people not gonna like it because at the first time I see something like this from me. And it's a video where it's on YouTube already, it's on LTS page, so most of you are gonna be familiar with it already. If you know that follow from LTS days, you are gonna watch the, you are gonna see this already. It's a short film I'm gonna call Jump. I don't want to talk no more all up on the time. I just want to say blessings and respect again for everybody who keep on support them, keep on support me G's. I wanna alone me care about because me G's them. Yes, so I hope you like it. I hope you like it again. Because I think about to do some more short film and actually add it to the page. So if you don't want me to do more short films and add it to the page, just comment be a short film. Just comment be a short film. Because I think about to actually do short film and upload it to the YouTube page. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so Jump LTS, my first ever try. My first ever try. Record something by myself like a short film, direct it, edit it, script it, everything. I'ma just try it and put it out and see if people are gonna like it. You know what I mean? So yeah, this go up on LTS page actually 2 years ago, but me I bring it to you right now because it's something me I think about to add more to it. Me can't make you watch the quality and no more. Me I look for myself right now and it looks so oh my god. So yeah, me just gonna jump into the video. Remember when the video done, leave a comment, subscribe, like and all of them good stuff there. And if you want more videos like this, well short films and all of them something there, just comment short film and we're not gonna get them. That's all enough for them. Big up on yourself, my G's. Up it.
You mean Wagwan? Look how long you for there, dogs.
Yo, I'm there now. Isn't it that alone matter?
Yo, the place clean enough. Nobody in there one.
You sure it's nobody in there?
If you did there from early, you would have known. The place good, man.
There, man. You have that for me?
Yeah, man, I have.
Yeah, man.
Place clean.
If you sure it's nobody in there, then nobody in there. Can I do it?
That more on here.
Honestly, alright, man.
Yo. I want to check some of them boxes here. Yo!
Can't chop this nice street, man.
My youth, we not there for that, my youth. Yo, remember the watch me tell you about, you know?
Same thing I told you yesterday, God. Oh God, I'm excited. Smell that? Not a clock. Go back in this. Go back in that so.
Yo, dog. Yo, dog. Yo, dog. Foul, foul.